Okay, just hooked onto something here. Don't know what it is. Hopefully a keeper. Ooh, a little drum. I'll be darned. Let me get it up here. This is called a puppy drum because it's a small one. You see it? Whoa! Let me get my net. I don't want to try and pull it out. Okay, here we go. Come on, get in there. Come on. Oh, yeah. All right. Not bad. I'll show you what it looks like here. And I just cleaned my boat, of course. Ooh, man, I got my hook on my net. Or on his jaw or something. Right on the hook. Hear it? That's why they call it a drum. Thanks for watching.